Let's discuss converting to dictionary. Syntax is dict of sequence, takes any number of key value pairs and converts to dictionary. Let's take an example. List 1 equal to within square brackets within parentheses string name comma string jog comma within square brackets string age comma 24 comma within parentheses string roll number comma 24 dict1 equal to dict of list1 print of dict1. Let's run it. See, the output is it converted into dictionary and having items which is mentioned in example. Let's take another example. List1 equal to within square brackets string name comma string jog comma string age comma 24 dict1 equal to dict of list1 print of dict1. Let's run it. See, the output is value error because it allows only two items. Let's discuss type of keys. A dictionary key must be a type that is immutable. Now I am discussing type and can be used as key. Integers s, floats s, strings s, lists no. Lists are mutable. Sets no. Sets are mutable. Dictionaries no. It is mutable. Tuples yes. Only if all items are immutable.